Welcome to another video. I'm in a woods. As you hear, this is my friend Lucas. Hey Lucas.
Today, this is come here.
Yeah, what's good?
This is part 2 of the collaboration with Pumpkinhead MBI, otherwise known as Unknown Explorer. Hopefully, I don't have to remember. But guys, as I promised in one of my older videos, you all know what time it is.
This kid's gonna do a face reveal.
You all know what time it is. Wait, I have to restart the video. Alright, yeah, let's just start here.
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another...
He had to restart his video.
With Unknown Explorer, otherwise known as, formerly known as Pumpkinhead MBI. Today,
I'll let him do his intro.
Other than explore the woods. This has been a lot, very much known. Guys, as I promised in one of my older videos.
I'll start talking in my other one. Alright, so this woods is located in South Amboy NJ on Stevens Avenue. This used to be where an old train station, well actually railroad used to run through here. There's no longer traces of the railroad, but this used to be called the Raritan River Railroad, which is to run from a place called New Brunswick in New Jersey. Might get confused from New Brunswick in Canada, but then it used to run. Then it goes all the way down for South Amboy, which is where I live. You can just call me Maxwell.
Guys, I have something with suggestions from my last video. I'm actually gonna face my camera off this time. Yeah, guys.
Hold on. Thought I heard someone. It's a construction hat. I'm gonna have a little background history on the railroad that used to run through here.
My video is cut out.
Okay. You can edit it in somehow.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video.
I had to retry this 2 times already. We're coming up on where an old warehouse used to exist. This is the platform. People graffiti here. There's a place called Bortontown Avenue up there. Big platform. The railroad used to connect up here, and they used to take the supplies out of here and connect to the railroad, which used to exist right over there, and run it all the way to the main, which is called the NYLB, or the New York Long Branch Railroad, which is now an Amtrak's line, now a place called Amtrak. Over here, this used to be a tunnel. Over here is a storm drain where the railroad used to run through. Yeah, Lucas. Oh, over here, this is where the train used to dock up and take the supplies in. Down there in that little ditch over there is where the railroad used to come from a tunnel that used to exist here and run over there into the NYLB, which is a New York Long Branch Railroad.
Remember guys, raid's on the 20th.
He does that as jokes. Okay. Over here in this area used to be where a turntable used to exist, where they used to turn locomotives around. Not really too much about it. Also, there was a roundhouse over here.
I mainly focus on the train tracks, not like the building on the train.
Well, the railroads don't. Well, the railroad no longer exists. Okay. It was in 2002 is when they removed the railroads, but the railroad stopped being in use in 1980 after a company known as Conrail bought it, acquired the rights to it. Yeah, what's good?
I'm gonna go over there. I'm gonna go
over here.
Yeah.
Okay.
You wanna meet up back here?
Yeah, I'm gonna go. I'll go talk about the Roundhouse. What the fuck is that? You guys hear that? I have to carry a stick with me. Sounds like a pelican or something. Well, anyways, in here used to be the Roundhouse. And right where I'm standing here, the railroad used to cut right through here and go that way. I'm gonna add images of it. My friend Lucas is in there. And this is also a great news to introduce the new channel I'll be uploading this on. Yeah. So this new channel I'll be uploading will be known as where I upload videos that'll be 30 minutes or longer, where I'll try to walk through all the parks and storm drains I go through. I'll try to walk through because I'm known for forgetting stuff. So. Police do come down here, so might be a little wary. Man, I wish there was traces of this railroad. My friend Lucas went in there. He's over there. Yeah, that's really about it. This was over there, following that path. Yeah. What'd you say? This way. Actually, there is some remnants of it.
Alright, yeah, no, let's go this way.
Follow.
No, I will not be saying my name. That name will be reserved.
His name is Lucas. His name is Lucas, guys.
Alright, here, guys. I will make a deal with you, okay?
In there, wall of the roundhouse. A wall of the roundhouse.
My best.
Hold on, I'll move ahead of him.
At least some 100 subscriber merch. Okay? I don't have any merch yet. Like I said I would, but...
Following me this way,
yeah.
maybe we can get a better vantage point.
So, yeah, guys. So, I'm gonna be silent.
I'm gonna see if I can get to the...
Hey guys,
whoa.
back to part 2 of the second part of the collaboration of Company MDI, otherwise known as Unknown Explorer, part 2.
Man, he's been talking a lot.
The last one ended up on such a short note. The video decided to turn itself off.
Okay, so right here is the wall of the Roundhouse.
So, I'm just saying,
right there, in there, used to be a 12-stall Roundhouse. Hold on, look. I'm gonna cut an image in right here, so I'll be silent for a moment. Okay, so if we continue on this way, it will lead us to the old spot where there's a swim club located over there. So over here, following this little path here, is where an engine shop. Oh, speaking of this, over here, used to hold tankers over here. This little machine here, well, whatever it is. It used to be where the basin of huge tankers, which would hook up to the train and be sent out for use. All right. Anyways, if we continue on this way, we will see the spot of where the old engine shop used to exist. If we follow this path, not the original path, we're gonna go a new path that somebody made. I'm actually gonna link my friend's channel down in the description below. His channel is called the True 123 DGS. Continuing on this way, there's a lot of weeds. I don't want to sound like a nerd, but the weeds here is called Japanese knotweed. Okay, here's where the old engine shop used to exist. What we're on now used to be where the where trains used to get repaired and used to get new engines. Not really much to say about this place, but I'm going to add a picture in right now. Okay, not really too much to say about this place. Otherwise, it's very cool. It's very cool to think that once, literally on the street I live, used to be an old railroad.
Alright, guys. So that's gonna mark the end.
Don't listen, I'm gonna continue.
The second part of the second collaboration with Pumpkinhead and NBI.
My friend's editing his video.
Hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, be sure to leave a like. And remember, I said it last time, I said it again. Pretty soon, when there's enough questions in the comment section below, I will do a question and answer. 10 questions only. And every person is limited to 2 questions.
I don't know what the fuck he's talking about.
Yeah, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Be sure to subscribe, and if you like the video, leave a like, and be sure to hit the notification bell for my question and answer video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.
The Raritan.
I'm done.
Oh, you're done?
Yeah, I'm gonna continue on your video.
Alright. Yeah, I didn't end it yet. But this is the first time we're recording with friends, so the video might not be like my other ones.
Alright. I'm done.
Yeah, what's good?
You have a way to turn it up here. Let me see your camera real quick.
I don't know. I don't think I trust you.
No, I'm gonna show my face on your thing.
No, I already did. You're right here.
Hey! Why do you have the flash on?
A flash on?
Yeah.
No, it's built. No, it turns on when it faces somebody. It's a built-in feature. I can't really
Alright.
unless someone knows how to turn it off. But
Alright.
right through here is where the railway used to run to the NYLB.
No, chicken wire.
The hell's a chicken wire? The hell's that doing down here? Well, people do litter down here, so I'm not surprised at all. It is a cool little artifact.
Be sure to subscribe to the True 123 DSG.
Yeah, go subscribe to my friend's YouTube channel. I'll link it down in the description, like I said before. There really isn't too much about this wood, since I could come back here during the winter.
You might come down back here. You might come down here during the winter.
Yeah, so I can get...
Part 3, everyone! Part 3.
Yeah, there might be a part 3 of this. That's about it, actually, I think.
Yeah, we're back where we started.
Yeah, we're back where we started. And I guess I'll see you all in the next video. Yeah. Peace. Oh, peace.